Guys, for today's video, ito ang tuturo ko sa inyo ay ito namang pag-open ng new account dito sa Hello Money app. So, yellow lang natin yung mga notification after natin tong i-download sa Play Store. So, kung wala kayong link nun, check nyo na lang yung description natin kung gusto nyo mag-download nitong Hello Money app. So, syempre, open new account, register an existing account. Dito tayo sa open a new account. Okay, after nyan, syempre basahin mo yan kung gusto mong basahin. Pero usual naman dyan is i-check mo lang ito. Tapos, game, go na. Ayan. Scroll up mo lang siya. Tapos back. And then, click continue. After that, makikita nyo dito nakalagay, make sure you have stable internet. Prepare for video capture. Registration may take 10 minutes. You must be at least 18 years old. So after nyan, click mo na tong continue. And, ayan, are you a citizen or Filipino citizen? De, syempre, yes, of course, Filipino tayo. Next natin is, Hello Money, allow Hello Money to take pictures and record video. So, i-click mo dito is, while using the app, or ikaw bahala kung ano gusto mo, wag lang don't allow. Okay, puro while using the app lang ang ginagawa ko. Tapos, eto yung kailangan, yung lalagay mo dito is yung nakalagay sa national ID mo. So, try natin. Ilalagay lang natin yung ating name. Ayan. First name, middle name, last name, birthday, and then next. Fill up muna tayo. And after natin ma-fill up yan, click na po natin yung next. Okay, nakalagay dito, fill SIS verification. On the next screen, you will be asked to do a liveness check for fill ID verification. So, click lang natin yung proceed. And ayan, i-allow daw natin yung camera and make sure na malinis or clear yung ating photo, no? Yung ating selfie na gaganapin is dapat talagang maayos, no? Walang cap, walang ano tawag dito? Glasses, and then click na po natin yung start liveness. So, ayan, ganyan nga, kailangan meron ka ng i-check mo muna kasi tell us about yourself. Meron kang first name, middle, last name, mobile, and yung email add natin or Google account. Tapos, password, confirm password, and then click na natin yung next. So, after nun, meron sa inyong magsasend na code doon sa phone number na nilagay nyo. And then, check nyo naman yung email nyo kasi may magsasend din na Gmail dyan or code din galing sa Gmail natin. So, ayan, after natin nilagay yung code, click na natin yung verify. Next naman is maglalagay tayo ng tell us about yourself pa din. Meron na ditong nakalagay na birthday, gender, married, or yung ating civil status, tapos place of birth, present address, permanent source of income, and mother's name or mother's complete maiden name. Next naman doon is take a selfie. So, magsa-selfie naman tayo. So, sa pagsa-selfie naman kailangan, ito yung mga dapat mong tandaan or some reminders. Remove face mask or shield. Remove accessories such as eyeglasses, caps, or headgear. Keep your eyes open and focus on the camera. Appropriate dress is recommended. Stay in a well-lit area. Position your face within the frame. So, click na natin yung proceed. So, after mo nga mag-selfie verification, may ganito naman nalalabas. So, nakalagay dito, convert your ready money card now. Pero kasi, since bago pa lang tayo, wala pa tayong Hello Money ATM card or Hello Money card, is, i-click muna natin yung skip. Okay, after nyo, nakalagay dito, how did you find about Hello Money? So, ayan, nakalagay dito referral code, company payroll, website, radio, TV, newspaper, Viber, Facebook, Instagram, family, and friends. So, ang ilalagay ko na lang is Facebook, since doon naman talaga laging nakikita yung mga ganitong klaseng Tapos click na natin yung submit. After nyo nakalagay, your application has been submitted, you will receive an email within the next banking day to confirm the status of your application. So, ayan. Wait na lang daw natin yung ating application kung ma-approve. Ayan. So, update ko na lang kayo kapag na-approve yung ating application na to. Dito, okay? So, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, comment na lang kayo dyan. Kung meron pa kayong mga gustong isuggest. Thank you very much, guys. See, ngayon lang siya dumating, no? So, kahapon ako nagpa-verify and then waiting ako hanggang ngayon and yes, dumating na siya. Your Hello Money application has been approved. So, pwede na tayong kumuha ng ating ATM card or whatever, no? And dito lang naisip ko na talagang mas mabilis ma-approve kapag ka national ID yung gagamitin natin or yung Phil ID natin. So, yun lang.